This piece of device guards your equipment at home. Today we are going to do the teardown of it. Let's get started. These are the input parameters. The components are properly aligned, as you can see. It has only one integrated circuit for the voltage comparator, LM383P. The blue component is the main relay, and you can see the connection from the source and the output from the relay. Let's go deeper into this power capacitor. This thing is hard to break, as you can see me trying. Okay, let's go to the relay first. The switching relay only gets feedback from the voltage comparator for it to switch on or off. When the coil is energized, it pulls the switch on or off. Let's try this once more. Yup, I've succeeded. You can see the capacitor. Dielectric, but let's go deeper. Opening the housing. The two metal strips are rolled together. In between them is an insulator. Remember to subscribe to watch more. Thank you and have a nice day.